Hello friends, here interior frame mockup for Photoshop. These are not preview file. Check here, Photoshop file, that's my PSD file, but these are protected. You need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com and get subscription for lifetime, just single payment. Okay, so I open this one in Photoshop. All files are same, just open in Photoshop, then replace your image or your poster, depend your own choice. Now we need image. Open this one. I think high resolution 3000. Drag here. Now Control S for saving. You see our image in this frame, and same thing in next frame. Open any other image like this one and simply drag here. Enter Control S. You see our image in this frame. Now any other, for example, open this one in Photoshop. Click here. Same thing, we need image. Enter Control S. Updating smart text. Close it, and you see our image on share. I hope these frames are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.